Most people just use business software like a digital filing cabinet, but Bitrix24 is more like a hidden engine for your whole company. I've uncovered 5 different features buried in this platform that change everything, from AI that literally writes your emails to predictive analytics that can see into the future of your sales pipeline. If you want to stop working for your software and start making it work for you, these are the 5 game changers you need to know about right now. Today, folks, we are gonna take you through and show you some of these awesome features that, including the AI Copilot, which can analyze long comment threads and draft efficient, polite, and suitable responses in seconds. We've also got the BI Builder, which unlocks real-time data using the power of AI to get insights from your company. It really does replace manual reporting with visual live analytics for more strategic decisions. Then there's also the no-code RPA, which is the engine. This is for building autonomous workflows for really repetitive tasks like workflow generation, lead routing, or document generation without having to write a single line of code. This really does democratize innovation for non-technical team members. You've then got predictive business analytics for forecasting based on real-time velocity. This really does help managers spot at-risk deals weeks before they happen. And then there's the unified communication stack, which unifies HD calls, video calls, messaging, and document collaboration all into one app, reducing company app fatigue. Okay, so we are logged into our account here. We've got all the sections here: chats, tasks, Copilot, and collabs. We are currently in the chat section right now, and we can see all the current chats that are open. For example, this one here, project deployment update. So we can actually see everything in here with the Copilot feature. We are gonna find Copilot right here. Summarize this discussion into key updates, completed work, pending issues, and next action steps. That's fantastic. So Copilot, in literally 1 second, has given us a summary of the discussion and the action steps, which is the most important part. Really good. So it's already organized everything right there for us using Copilot. And if we head over to the task and project section, we can actually go to the design landing page section here. Alright, and we can actually see a description of everything here. So, continue task description. We can create a checklist. We've got the summarized text section here as well. So we can save that Copilot query there. So let's go check out the BI Builder now. Let's have a look. So we've got all the different folders here: profile dashboards, sites and stores dashboards, CRM dashboards. You can go through and create a new dashboard. You can order a custom dashboard, or you can even download one from the market. This is from the Bitrix24 market. You can go ahead and actually grab one straight from here for free. There's heaps of really good, handy free ones that you can use. So if we take a look at the sales section, for example, we've got one for core analytics and sales trends. If we have a look at this sales trend one, we can install it. It shows the number of installations and the developer. It's really cool that you can get this plug-in straight away, and it'll help you monitor your sales trends in an efficient and transparent way for your team. If we head over to the automation section here as well. Okay, let's just hit start. Let's take a look at the different workflows. Going for a general request here. It's pretty cool. You can automate your workflows, control every stage, and manage them from your mobile too. It's great to see that you can actually have that feature too. So again, this one is specifically for new lead assignment and follow-up automation. So it's a really cool little automation that we can basically get set up. Alright, so if we click into the workflow element, let's take a look here and see. You've got the business processes section. You've got the access settings, so you can set it to read-only or access denied. So this is pretty cool. This is like the area for requesting new lead assignment and follow-up automation. Now I'll head over to the CRM section. We can basically take a look at the different deals we've got going on here. So we'll head over to the sales pipeline and funnel. Got the default pipeline here. Let's take a look at what's in progress here, and that's pretty cool. So it shows us whether the deals have been won or lost. We can add a pipeline. You can go take a look at Sarah Johnson under the chats again, and we can say something like, "Hi Sarah, just checking in to see if your team has reviewed the updated proposal." You can also open up a video call chat, which is really cool. So this is just the perfect thing. If you're someone running a remote business or have a remote team, you should be using Bitrix24. Like, this is just a no-brainer at this stage. You can open up David Kane's chat here as the developer. A little prompt like, "Can you make some time to discuss things over the phone?" So you've got really solid connectivity between everyone on your team in a super transparent way. And I love the general chat section here too. It's like a business version of Telegram or maybe Discord. just way more organized and perfect for business. Stop searching for 5 different apps when you can have everything in just one place. Click the link in the description below to start your 15-day free trial for Bittrex 24 and unlock these game-changing features today.